kindergarten SDAIE plan on sorting, using auditory, visual, tactile, and kinesthetic aspects to introduce and cement standards 1.2, 2.0, and 2.1.
Hey boys and girls, is everyone excited about Christmas?
Yay!
Okay, remember to raise your hands. What is your favorite part about Christmas? Chip.
Getting presents.
Woo, that's a good one. Anybody else? Yes.
The Christmas tree.
Oh, the Christmas tree. Yes.
The lights.
The lights, that's a good one. Yes.
Eating.
Food is good too. Those are all, oh yes.
Going to church.
Okay. Well, my favorite part about Christmas is just like Michelle. It's the Christmas tree because of all of its shapes. The circle ornaments, the square presents, and then the triangle-shaped tree. Today, we're going to focus on these different shapes.
Well, we need to get up and get our wiggles out, so woo! Okay, now have a partner, and we're going to build shapes together. If we hold our hands together like this, we are a rectangle or square. Woo! Open and wide, we're a circle. Woo! And do this individually, and we're a triangle. Can you see how we can build our own shapes?
Yeah.
Now Miss Vicki and Miss Desiree are going to be doing our little art project.
Hi boys and girls, today we're going to make a Christmas tree. We're going to make our very own Christmas tree to take home. Who has a Christmas tree at home already? Wow. And have you guys all decorated it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah? Pretty exciting, huh? We're going to make our own tree today, and we're going to use the shapes that Miss Ruth talked about. Okay, on your desk you have a packet, and in that packet it has all kinds of shapes. Can everybody get your packet out?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you, boys and girls. Okay, the first thing we're going to get out is our triangle. Can everybody hold up their triangle? Very nice. And check your shoulder buddy. Does your shoulder buddy have their triangle out? Okay, we are going to take out our glue stick, not our wet glue, our glue stick, and we're going to glue our triangle on our white piece of paper. Raise your hand if you have your green triangle glued onto your paper. And all together, who can tell me what that green triangle is going to be? What is that going to be?
Tree.
Right, that's going to be our tree. Next, for our Christmas tree, you're going to get out your brown shape. And this is a rectangle. This is a new shape for us we're going to talk about later. But we have a rectangle today that we're going to use for the trunk of our tree. Using your glue stick, everybody put your brown rectangle on your tree. Check your shoulder partner. Does everybody have their brown rectangle on for their trunk? Very good, boys and girls. Next, can everybody get out their purple circles? Everybody has purple circles. And these, who can tell me what these are going to be on the tree all together?
Ornaments.
Ornaments. Very good. And we're going to glue our ornaments on with our glue stick. And you get to be creative with your ornaments. You can put them wherever you'd like on your tree. Oops. That one's going to go on the floor. We'll pick that one up in just a second. Thank you, Miss Desiree. Okay, so we have our circles on our tree. We have our ornaments on our tree. Next, we're going to put somebody's favorite Christmas item under the tree. We're going to put our squares, which represent our presents. We're going to put some presents under the tree. Everybody get out their orange squares, and we're going to glue on our presents. Okay, shoulder partners, does everybody have their presents glued on?
Yep.
Okay, our last shape is another new shape for us. It is a star, and it should be the last shape that you have in your packet. We're going to take our star, and where are we going to put our star, boys and girls?
Top of the tree.
Top of
On
the
the
tree.
top of a tree. Okay. Does everybody have their star on? Okay, let's have everybody hold up their Christmas tree for me. Nice, beautiful, boys and girls. Now Miss Desiree is going to talk to you about shapes a little bit more.
Okay, can you guys remind me, what's the big green shape that she told you about? What's that one called?
Triangle.
Triangle, very good. What are the purple?
Circles.
Circles. And what's the, underneath the tree, what are the orange? What are those?
Squares.
Squares. And what is this tall one right in the center that holds up our tree?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. We're going to talk about that next week. And the last one on the top is a
Star.
star. So next week we'll do the rectangle and the star.
In conclusion, I'd just like to emphasize how important it is when working with children to give them something that they can relate to. Also with ELL students, it's very important to allow them to work in pairs. This builds confidence. Cooperative learning is an excellent technique to use while working with ELL students. All kindergartners love Christmas, presents, ornaments. They're all things that children love and can relate to.